welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with a good skincare prep. Today I decided to do an orange makeup look, something that I've not done for a really long time. I've done an orange look together with a yellow tone to it when I was like in my 17s, 18s. So it's been a really long time when the entire makeup industry changed and the way my preferences also changed. I told myself like, what, I'm gonna try something new and bring back all of my teenage ideas into my current look now. So that's how I came about this sunset orange makeup tutorial. Obviously, as you guys have seen, I've done a highlight on my brow bone and I'm straight away doing my eyebrows. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a lip balm on my lips, and I'm using the Body Shop Shine Lip Liquid under the shade of Blueberry Chew, just to give a really nice plumped up look. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm applying the concealer as a base on my eyes, and then I'm moving on with the NYX Cosmetics palette. I'm going to list the name below, and using this yellow shade, and I'm just going to blend them all over my lids, and I'm using a blending brush for this process. I'm taking a darker yellow tone and I'm just going to dab it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna take this orange shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil of BH Cosmetics, and I'm just using a blending brush, and I'm starting it out on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna slowly work them through my entire outer V, just to make sure that the orange shade is gonna be like an ombre shade for this makeup look. Super happy with the way it looks, guys. I'm taking a kabuki brush and just blending away any kind of harsh lines just to even up the eye look. So don't mind me drinking too much of tea at this time, guys, because I filmed this look at about 4 a.m. and yep, so this is the outcome of 4 a.m. guys. I hope it's actually pretty worth it. So using the same palette, and I'm taking the dark black eyeshadow, and I'm actually using it as my eyeliner for today's look. And I'm gonna use from the same palette, I'm taking this beautiful apple green shade, and I'm using it on my lower lash line. I'm using the falsies from Vesperlex in today's makeup look. As for my foundation today, guys, I'm using the Yves Rocher foundation, high coverage foundation, and I'm going to list them in the info box below. And as you guys can see, I'm using these makeup brushes from 6 Plus. I've received their makeup brushes like a couple of weeks back, and I've been using them ever since. It is really good, really handy, and what I like about the makeup brushes is that in every of their like angle, they actually say like this is a powder brush, or if it's a concealer brush, if it's an angled brush, if it's a blending brush, they have it all said there. So if any one of you who are like a beginner makeup person and you don't know what are the functionality of each brushes, this is a perfect brush for you. I'm gonna list them in the info box. Do check them out. And I'm almost done with my makeup, guys. I'm just quickly doing up my mascara, and I just don't know why I did that, actually, just to make sure the mascara sits on my lashes. But yeah, it worked actually. So this is from Softwanah Cosmetics. This lipstick look is from Softwanah, and this is pretty much like a very beautiful orange red lipstick, which is also super matte and they stick through. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm done with my makeup for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really love how this ended up to be, and if you do like, please do give me a thumbs up, and till I see you guys in my next video. Bye.